must guard against giving up on our country. Those who are in leadership have to remember that their responsibility lies in strengthening the citizens of Kenya. This is what this program of Maraga Youth Service aims at doing. The novelty of this youth service is in the holistic approach that it takes. Young people participate in community services, thus strengthening our communal ties and values while earning income. Parents receive 25% of the pay, ensuring that livelihoods are maintained and the community ownership is maintained. Young people get the skills and the tools to start their own trade. This is how you build an economy. This is how you build a strong community. This is how you promote value-based society.
Hawa vijana wanapata opportunity ya kuingia through an open and fair manner, kufanya balloting. Pia wakiingia wanatusaidia ku clean our towns. Then thereafter tunawapeleka fanya examination ya NITA na ku get skills. Then we give them a seed capital of 15,000. We think the multiplier effect will be so huge that at least we will have done some effort in job creation. But hatujamaliza katika hiyo endeavor ya ku create jobs. Tuko na other ideas. And from where I sit, the place where jobs will be created the best will be wakati tunaweza ku-unlock hii wealth iko hapa Del Monte. Del Monte Limited ilipatia county takriban eka 1,400 na kwa hivi sasa there are 3 projects ambazo zinaendelea hapo. One, tukapatia hiyo land export processing zone ili industries ziwe established there ambazo zitakuwa zinafanya exporting. We think once completed, thousands of jobs will be created in our EPZ.
Kwa miezi miwili wanafanya kazi wakilipwa 400 kwa siku, huku 100 ikienda kwa mzazi. Pigieni gavana makofi. Nimejulishwa na deputy governor kwamba pia mnawapeleka, sio nimejulishwa, najua mnawapeleka kupata mafunzo katika vio vyetu vya kiufundi, and they get certificates from NITA, National Industrial Training Authority. That is a very good thing to equip our youth with the requisite skills in order for them to be gainfully employed by self.
Inafanya yani kazi very practical. Yani unaona kila siku tunajiuliza vijana wetu tutafanya nini? Tutawatolea kazi wapi? Kila mtu anasema siwezi ongezea kuandika wengine kazi kwa sababu nimefungiwa. Lakini ukiangalia hii program, kama kila county inaweza kuchukua a lesson from the Maraga Youth Service Program, alafu kila mwaka muwe na graduates 2,000 to 5,000, ukihesabu hizo kaunti zote mara 2 kwa mwaka, na waweze tuseme hata kama tuseme ni 50% ambao watafaulu kuanzisha biashara zao, I believe this country would be halfway to tackling the unemployment program in Kenya. Kwa hivyo pongezi Governor Kang'ata, sisi tumesoma, it is a fantastic.
67% of the youth are unemployed, making 35% of the population. It only illustrates the importance of public investments and interventions that generate employment opportunities and prepare the youth for the employment market through skills development and upgrading, as well as seed capital provision for micro and small enterprises. This by no means suggests that young people can only engage in small and micro enterprises. There is no limit to the potential of young people to initiate and nurture businesses that grow into multinational companies and global conglomerates. I am informed that this program is intended to meet these goals in Maraga County, spreading the action beyond this county to the rest of Kenya and the world, including Kisumu County. There is no shortage of ideas and theories on the question of youth engagement in national development. A lot of people and organizations have built good programs to promote innovation, production, and enterprise development by young people. And great things are happening all around us, including the Maraga initiative.